Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share simple but powerful Canva tutorials to help you design like a pro without being a designer. In today's video, I'll show you how to make an image fade in Canva using a smooth, professional effect that works perfectly for thumbnails, presentations, posters, or social media designs. And trust me, this is super easy once you learn the trick. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Canva and create a new design using any size. You can choose YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or even custom size. Doesn't matter. Once your canvas is open, upload or insert the image you want to fade. Place it exactly where you want it on your design. Now, here's where most people get stuck. Canva doesn't have a direct fade button for images, but we're going to use a simple workaround. Look to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar inside Elements, type Gradient. This is going to bring up a whole collection of gradient shapes and overlays that we can use to create a smooth fade effect. Click See All so you can view the full library. Scroll through and pick a gradient that fades from black to transparent or white to transparent, depending on your design background. If your background is light, go for white. If it's darker, go for black. Once you've selected a gradient, drag and drop it onto your image. You'll probably need to resize it by pulling the corners so that it fully covers the part of the image where you want the fade effect to appear. Now adjust the direction. Click Rotate if you want the fade to come from the top, bottom, or side. Position it exactly where you want the fading to begin. If you want a stronger fade, here's the pro trick. Duplicate the gradient by pressing Ctrl plus D or clicking Duplicate in Canva. Each duplicate layer will deepen the fade, making it softer and more professional. Stack as many layers as you need until you get the perfect transition. You can also adjust transparency to make it even cleaner. Just click the gradient layer, go to the transparency icon in the top right and lower it slightly until it blends naturally. And that's it. Your image now fades smoothly into the background, giving your design a clean, cinematic look. This works great for text overlays, branding, or blending images together. If this tutorial helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover text fade effects next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.